Here's what you need to make cookie cutter bird seed feeders. Put a pot on the stove. Fill it with water. Set on high. Put the unflavored gelatin into the water and mix. As soon as it simmers, remove from heat. While it cools, put your cookie cutters on the wax paper. Add the seeds to the gelatin mix. Mix it together well. Fill the cookie cutters halfway with the seed mixture. When it starts to get sticky, put a straw in the middle near the top. Pat it down gently with a flat tool. Cut some string or twine to hang it later. Put the string through the straw until it comes out the other side. Pull the straws out and pat it down again. Gently take your cookie cutter off your bird feeder. Then you hang your cookie cutter bird seed feeder.